Hi everyone, I'm Chantel LaBelle, and welcome back to my channel. Excuse my roughness. I am in the middle of a wash day, so I'm getting ready to deep condition my hair and wash it and then get it ready for work for this week. But I just wanted to do a really quick video and share with you what I received in my Ipsy package this month. So this month, for October, I forget what the theme was for this month, but anywho, so here's the bag. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's got like a mask, a masquerade mask kind of embossed in the bag. But I'm just gonna open it up. It's really cute. I have a ton of these bags because I get so many Ipsy bags, and I actually had to suspend my account for a little bit because I just got so many and I just could not get through all the products just in time, in enough time. But anyway, so as you know, as some of you may know, each Ipsy bag you get the monthly cosmetic bag, and you also get a card that kind of describes, I guess, the theme for the bag, and they discuss, you know, if they're running some kind of promotion or what have you, and also if you get any discounts on any of the products. But just want to get right into it, and down below in the description I will make sure I list all of the products that I received this month and what their retail value is. So just jumping right into it, I received this So Susan Cosmetics Color Trip High Intensity Color Pigment in the shade Mysterious. So let's see what this looks like. And it's like a really shimmery purple. I'm gonna see if I can get this open so I can do a swatch for you, but I don't know if you can really see it through the container, but it's like a really dark shimmery purple. Looks really pretty. I actually can't wait to play with this in a new look that I'm planning. I'm just gonna try and get this open here. Luckily I've got these tweezers right here so that I can get to it. Alrighty, so got it open, and sorry, my hair is a little wet. I washed it, but I gotta do my deep conditioning. But just kind of want to show you. Oops, can't get my hand. But it's like a really shimmery purple. I don't know if you can really see that right now, but I will do a video and photo for you to show you how great it is. But yeah, that's a very pretty shimmery purple, so I'm excited to use that. The next product I have in my bag is going to be, I don't know if it's INC.redible or INC.redible, I'm not sure, but it's called You Glow Girl. And it's in the shade of Iridescent Jelly. It was an Iridescent Jelly, and it's in the shade of Cosmic Blur. I'm not exactly sure what this is. I believe it's like a highlighter. So I'm excited to play with this also. And again, I'm struggling with the packaging, but hopefully I'll be able to show you what it looks like. Man, that's kind of hard to get out. But I got a little bit out. And I don't know if you can really see the iridescent, but it kind of looks like my background. Here's some on my finger. Not sure if you can see that, but it's very pretty. It's like a bluish purple color inside of the clear gel. So I'm excited to use this also. And again, I'm going to be listing in the description box all of the products that I received in my Ipsy bag for this month. My next product is going to be the K.Voss Lip Balm in Strawberry Peppermint. Here's the packaging. I have not actually heard of K.Voss before, but I do love a lip balm, and if you know me, you know that I always have my chapstick, strawberry flavor, always ready. So, but here is the actual lip balm container, and I may actually put some on right now because I just got out of the shower, so my lips are a little dry. But it's a really, like, it's a pink when it comes out. Has just like a little shine to it. So this will probably definitely get added to my wallet right next to my chapstick. The next product that I received this month is, looks like an eyeshadow pencil. We've got it taped in here pretty good. But it's the Manna Kadar Beauty Simplified Lip Lock. I can't really read the rest of it because of the packaging that's on it, but hopefully you can kind of see that. And this is in the shade Amour, I'm gonna guess. It's the priming lip wand, and it says it's step 3. So I've never heard of this before, this brand before, so I'm actually gonna have to look it up and see what steps 1 and 2 are, because I might be interested in getting those. And lastly, I have been wanting to try this for a very, very, very long time, and I'm glad that I kind of waited because it's in my Ipsy bag. But I got the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and not sure if you can really see that, but I am super excited because, like I said, I've been wanting to try this for a very long time, and I actually just picked up a new Tarte product when I was in Ulta the other day, so I will maybe do a mini makeup haul video. I haven't decided yet because I also ordered some other makeup that hasn't arrived yet. But these are the products that I received. Oh, and then just really quick, let me swatch the Tarte concealer for you. But, so this is the shade here. As you can see, it's probably going to be really great for highlighting. So I'm really excited about that. And again, but that's what I received this month in my Ipsy bag. I will, like I said before, I will have the products listed in the description box below. Also, if you want a more in-depth reading of the products, go to my blog and check out my latest blog post at www.chantelthebelle.com. And down in the comments below, share with me what you received in your Ipsy bag for this month. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Also, you can connect with me on Instagram at Chantel_Labelle and also on Snapchat at ChantelLabelle. So all that information I will list at the end of the video. But until next time, bye.